You're not going to believe this, but your kids actually will want to play this set. I've had this for 2 years now, and I thought I would do an update. And I do love that it comes in this beautiful box, which you can just throw wrapping paper on and gift box ready. With chess and checkers, it has a lock. Open it like this, and you do have your little foam insert. I had it for 2 years and I did a review quite some time back. I have gotten a lot of questions, not the least of which is, do the pieces get scratched? No. Do the magnets stop working? No, they don't. The felt on these pieces has never lifted, no matter how roughly they were just jammed back in here. I would love it if this case had a handle. There are 24 checkers and then your regular chess pieces, 2 extra queens. They are wood, both the pieces and the case. Oh, I spilled my coffee, but didn't move those. Not move, which makes this excellent for travel. People ask, how easily do the pieces move? That easily. So this is what the pieces look like. Beautiful, well-attached felt. Guys, these are really nice pieces. This is not a cheap set. This is not a buy it, have it for a year. This is a buy it, keep it forever type of a situation. On here. Easily do they move. Just like that. When you're ready to get the kids off of the electronics, even if it's just for an hour, grab this and start enjoying these little moments, the little memories that we have with our kids and our families. This is a wonderful, wonderful set. You will not be disappointed with this.